Hey, hi community. Today we are going to give you a demo of end-to-end scraping pipeline with N10 workflows. Yeah, so this is a problem we tried to solve, and it took almost 1 month to solve the problem. So basically, the problem was we have this IVAU, one of German platform, which has authentications, and after sign in and login, there are a lot of projects of different domains, such as civil engineering related to civil engineering, related to mechanical engineering. And then the problem was, after login and sign in, we need to scrape those projects and save into sheet. So the main problem was how to automate the login process and then scraping those projects and their subsections as well. You can see over here, these subsections are also being scraped. So we used a lot of solutions, but at the end we used Selenium with the Python, and then we were able to scrape the data, and we were able to automate the whole process. Now this system sign in or login on this platform automatically. After login, it just navigate to these projects one by one and scrape that data, and there's the sections of each project, subsections, and then the links, and then store that over here in sheet with all the important information. Okay, so yeah, that we have achieved. And after doing this, we are passing this data to N10 workflow. And over here, if I show you, this basically flag the project. This workflow basically flag the projects which are relevant or not. We have defined some conditions, and after flagging, we have another workflow which is basically then finalizing the workflows that are filtered. Then it is pushing those workflows on UI, and we are showing those relevant projects to the our main customer. So yeah, that is something we have just created, and it is end-to-end automation system. Yeah, and after that, we are showing those projects. First step is scraping, and then second is filtering. Third is then pushing those relevant projects on UI. So you can see these are the projects which are the relevant one are being pushed on UI with all the important data that is being scraped in step 1. So that is something we have created an end-to-end pipeline, no manual work. Scraping is being done automatically. Then this filtering process is also being done automatically, and then pushing that data or those relevant projects on UI is also being done automatically. So that is something we have just done, and it can be utilized for other problems as well, like scraping some other information from any other platform which has authentications as well. So this solution can be applied on that as well with some minor changes. So yeah, we are looking forward. If there is any problem you are facing regarding scraping to automating the thing or the problem like this, we'll love to solve that for you as well. Thank you.